In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Windows 10. If constant pop-ups are interrupting your work, your games, or just your focus, there's a quick way to quiet everything with one switch. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain what each screen means, and share a few tips so you know exactly what's changing. First, we need to open the Windows Settings app. You can do this from the desktop by clicking the Start button in the lower left corner of your screen, then selecting the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. If you prefer a faster shortcut, press the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard. That key combination opens Settings instantly, and it's a great one to remember for future tweaks. Once Settings is open, look for the section labeled System. It's the hub for display, sound, power, and of course, notifications. Click System to open its options. Don't worry if your layout looks slightly different. The key items are the same across Windows 10 versions. Inside System, focus on the menu running down the left side. Find and click Notifications and Actions. This is where Windows groups everything related to banners, sounds, and alerts. If you don't see it right away, scroll the left panel a bit. Notifications and Actions is near the top in most setups. On the right, you'll see a heading with a main switch called Get Notifications from Apps and Other Senders. This is the master control. To turn off all notifications, toggle this switch to Off. The moment you do, Windows stops showing pop-up notifications from apps and other senders, including those little toasts in the corner and the sounds that come with them. This disables all pop-up notifications, helping you keep your screen distraction-free. A couple of helpful notes as you make this change. The effect is immediate. There's no need to restart your computer. You won't get new banners or alert sounds while this is off, which is perfect for deep work, presentations, or streaming. Just remember that important alerts, like calendar reminders or incoming app notices, won't appear as pop-ups while the switch is off. If you ever need notifications back, return to this same spot in Settings and flip the switch to On. That's all there is to it. By using the Settings app, heading into System, opening Notifications and Actions, and turning off Get Notifications from apps and other senders, you've taken control of your Windows 10 notifications in a clean, simple way. Enjoy the quieter desktop and turn them back on anytime you need them.